Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get speaking event reminder on any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as speaking event reminder by Jacqueline Fortier. So on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now you can see here tons of download options. So depending upon which operating system you're using, just download that version. So right now I'm using a Windows 11, so I'm gonna download the first one. If you're using a Windows 7 or Windows Vista or older than that, then you can download the other rest two options. So I'm gonna download the first option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just open the setup event reminder folder. And now just double click on this first file, that is the setup. Now click on next, click on next, click on next. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can click on close. Now once again move back to the same folder where you have extracted the file. Now you will see here one more folder written ms as in controls. Just open this folder and just double click on it to install this double as in. Now click on next, click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can click on this open. You can click on this finish. Now you will see here under this double as in settings options, so you will get a tons of options. So you can see here under the output tab you can control some options here, and there is a speech input. As you can see here, you can customize different options here depending upon your needs. So now just click on this Windows start menu icon and click on this all apps. Scroll down below and now you will see here event reminder. Just right mouse click on it and run it as administrator.
Hello, what's up today? No events in the following days.
So now you can see here one animated character is appearing on the left top corner of your desktop screen, as well as it's showing a calendar. Now say we want to set some events on the particular day, then just right mouse click on the respective date, and now you will see here add event. Just click on it. Now you can give any event name. So I'll just give a try, and you can give a event name. What is the event name? So I'll just add a message. You can set a date depending upon your needs. Just to give an example, I'm selecting the present date and a day before to 1. So you can make it remind you before 1 day, 2 day, or on the respective day. So if you want to make this application remind you on the same day on which you have set the date, then you can just select it to 0. You can add the phone number or email also if you want to add it. So once your all settings are done, click on save. Now it's being saved. Click on OK. You can close it. Now if you want to confirm, then you can just click on this event list. You can see here one event has been added by me. So there are some more options below here, and if you want to edit this events again, you can just click on this edit and you can edit it again if you wish. And now you can see here apply. Just click on this apply. Now it's being applied. So now let us test if it really gonna work or not. So now let us relaunch this application. Just right mouse click again on this event reminder application and run it as administrator.
Hello, what's up today? Work hard every day.
So you can see here the message which I have written for the respective event has been spoken by this animated character, right? So by using this application named as speaking event reminder, you can easily get speaking event reminder on any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this very useful application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.